I ask you because it's a recorded section. So we started these indices in the last class. It is to eliminate the exponential form or the power form or index form. How to eliminate? I should equate to the same base. If a problem is related to a number, reduce to the prime factors. So this is a key idea behind this indices. Also in logarithm, we want to eliminate the logarithm based on the given problems. So these are the law of indices. A power n by A power n is A power m minus n. A power m into A power n is A power m plus n. 1 by A power n is A power minus n. Like that, we will have around 7 indices, law of indices. We discussed 3, 4, okay, 8 questions we have discussed. And algebraic identity, please remember, these formulas are very important. If I start a problem, these formulas plays a vital role. Now, this is another question. We want to eliminate the denominator. Also, we want to eliminate that power. So first, what I have to do? I write 1. If I write this x power b by x power a. If I write this is x power b by x power a. The next is x power c by x power a. So what I write this one? I write this one as x power a by x power a plus 1 divided by this is x power a by x power b. This is x power a by x power b. This is x power c by x power b. What should I write here? If I want to get x power b in denominator, because x power b is a common LCM to take, I should have this first term as x power b by x power b. In the same way, this is x power b by x power c, x power a by x power c. What should be this term? X power c by x power c in order to make in the same LCM. So what is the LCM here? X power a. What is the numerator? X power a plus x power b plus x power c plus 1 divided by x power b plus x power a plus x power c by x power b plus 1 by x power c plus x power b plus x power a divided by x power c. If you reverse it, if you reverse each and every term, so here the LCM is x power a plus b plus c. Numerator will be x power b plus x power c. So these two terms get cancelled. Answer is 4. Have you all understood? Have you all understood?
சார் அங்க நம்ம 1க்கு x பவர் a by x பவர் a ன்னு எடுத்துருக்கோம்ல சார் மூணுத்துக்குமே b c ன்னு
y எதுக்கு எடுக்கிறோம்னு கேக்குறீங்களா?
இல்ல சார் நம்ம அதை அசியூம் பண்ணிக்கிறோமா 1 is equal to x பவர் a by x பவர் a ன்னு
அசியூம் பண்ணலனா அதை அசியூம் பண்ணலனா எல்சிஎம் வராது. அந்த எல்சிஎம் வரலனாக்க ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ண முடியாது.
ஓகே சார் அதான் சார்
x பவர் a x பவர் b x பவர் c என்ற எல்சிஎம் வரதுக்காக நான் அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்மை வந்து a by a, ஏன்னா இங்க ரெண்டும் a ல இருக்குன்னா இந்த டினாமினேட்டர் should be x power a. இது ரெண்டும் b னா this must be in b. So if this is in b, what should be the numerator to get 1? x power b ஆகணும். இது வந்து x power a வா இருந்திருக்கணும். So that LCM will be the same, I can able to eliminate denominator also the powers. Doubts on this? After bottom. இங்க பாருங்க, if you look at this question has got exponential term. Given is also having exponential term. The given is this. Question is this. But if you look at the given, it is in the 2 power 2 by 3 power 1 by 3. It is in fraction. If you look at the question, there is no fraction in the power. So what I want to do is to eliminate the fraction in the power. To eliminate fractions in the power. Because my question, there is no fraction in the power. What I do, take cube on both sides. Take a cube on both sides. Take cube on both sides. What you did? It is, I write that plus c to the right hand side, that is a power a into 2x power 1 by 3 b into x power 1 by 3 the whole power 3, this is equal to minus c power 3. In fact, minus c the whole cube. Shall I write like this? Shall I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Now you know a plus b the whole cube. Already I defined the last page. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Avail this. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus 3ab into a plus b. That is
Sir,
equal to
sir. A cube.
a cube plus b cube.
Sir, for a cube
இல்ல சார், வெளியே ஒரு கியூப் வரும் சார்.
cube
A.
வரணும் sir. A cube.
This is ax power 2 by 3 the whole cube. Now I have to split the power. A power m into a power n. A power m into a power n will be a power m b power m. So using that identity, this is a cube. X power 2 by 3 the whole cube plus b cube. This is x power 1 by 3 the whole power 3. It is 3 into a into b into base is same, add the power x power 2 by 3 plus x power 1 by 3. This can be taken as a star. That is my minus c cube. That is equal to minus c power 3. I'm sorry. This is c. As per the questions, it is c. You want right, it is a x power 2 by 3 b x power 1 by 3. It is equal to minus c. I call it as star so that this will be equal to minus c. Now what I do, I bring the c cube to this side and this term to right hand side. So what will happen? This is a cube x b cube x. Sorry, this is a cube x square. This is b cube x. And then plus c cube will come to the left hand side. That minus will go to that side. That is 3abc into x. So this is your question. So what is the answer? 3abcx. Have you all understood? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
சார் மைனஸ் சி எப்படி சார் வந்துச்சு?
இந்த ஸ்டார் நம்ம போட்டிருக்கேன் என்னது?
எஸ் மைனஸ் சி. ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார். சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க சார். ஓகே சார்.
அப்புறம் question number 11. It is also the same. We want to eliminate the fraction in the power. To eliminate fraction in the power, what I want to do? To eliminate the fraction in the power, do the same. Take cube on both sides. Eliminate fraction in the power, take cube on both sides. So a cube is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 minus 2 power minus 1 by 3 the whole cube. So a minus b the whole cube. What is the formula for a minus b the whole cube? A cube minus 3, sorry, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So this is equal to a cube, that is 2 power 1 by 3 the whole power 1 by 3 minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Now what is the next step? This is a cube is equal to A cube is equal to 2. This is 2 inverse because 3 get cancelled. It is 3 into, when the bases are same, add the power. Is it not 2 power 0? When the bases are same, add the power. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 will be 0. Into, this will become A. This will become A, according to my question. From the question, start. Therefore, what is the answer? A cube is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3A. So take LCM. A cube 4 minus 1 minus 6A divided by 2. 2A cube is equal to 3 minus 6A. So 2A cube plus 6A minus 3 is equal to 0. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
find the square root of this function. Find the square root of this function means it is square root of 3 plus root 5. So this is already in the form of what? X plus root y. It is in the form of some whole number plus irrational number. Whole number is x, irrational number is root y. So this is in the given form, that is x plus root 5. This is my x, this is my root y. Now we have to eliminate the square root. So squaring on both sides to eliminate square root. Squaring on both sides to eliminate, to remove the square root. If I square it on both sides, this is 3 plus root 5 is equal to, this is x plus root y the whole square. So 3 plus root 5 is equal to a square plus b square, because root y square will be y plus 2ab. Now I equate the real to real, irrational to irrational, equate real and irrational on both sides. What is real? This is real. Real should be equated to real. For an example, this is x square plus y is equal to 3. This is my real. What is irrational? Irrational will be this. 2 root x should be equated to this. I mean, these two must be equated. These two must be equated. Because irrational should be equated to irrational. Real should be equated to real. If you square it on both sides, again, because to eliminate square root, squaring. So this is 4 x square y is equal to 5. So we want to find what is xy. So this is 5 by 4x square. Now have this substitute here. If I substitute this, what do you get? This is x square plus 5 by 4x square is equal to 3. So 4x power 4 plus 5 is equal to, divided by 4x square is equal to 3. Four x power 4 plus 5 is equal to 12x square. Multiplying 4x square on both sides. So now this is in the form of quadratic equation. I write x power 4 as x square the whole square minus 12 into x square plus 5 equal to 0. I take some t as x square because it is in the form of quadratic equation. 4t square minus 12t plus 5 is equal to 0. If you solve for this 20 and minus 12, so 10 twos are, product is 20. If I add, I should get minus 12. So this is 4t square minus 10t minus 2t plus 5 is equal to 0. So what is the common factor? 2t. Then it is 2t minus 5. Take minus sign as a common factor. 2t minus 5 is equal to 0. 2t minus 1 into 2t minus 5 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 1 by 2 comma 5 by 2. So the two cases arises when x square, because t is your x square. We want to ultimately convert everything in terms of x and y. For a time being, I used t. And now I have to take x square is equal to 1 by 2. Also x square is equal to 5 by 2. Then what do you get for y? Y will be equal to 5 by 4 into 1 by 2. This is equal to 5 by 2. In the same way, this is y is equal to 5 divided by 4 into 5 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, there are two roots. What are the thing? X plus root 5 is my requirement. X plus root y is my requirement. What is the first case? X is equal to root 1 by 2. I mean 1 by root 2 you can take. So this is y is equal to 5 by 2. And this is x is equal to square root of 5 by 2. What about y? Y is equal to 1 by 2. So what is the answer? It is 1 by root 2 plus 5 by 2. In our case, root 5 by 2 plus root 1 by 2. I mean 1 by root 2. Or simply we can say it is plus or minus. It is plus or minus root 5 by 2. X is equal to 1 by root 2, y is 5 by 2. So this is root 5 by 2. Root 5 by 2. So this is the answer. Have you understood? If I substitute in root, this will become root of 5 by 2. So I can say, in fact, this is plus or minus square root of 5 by 2, likewise 1 by root 2, or root of 1 by 2, both are same. So this is the answer. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Just to substitute for x and y, you will get this.
Okay, sir.
We want to simplify this one. What can be this? This is equal to 2 power. 256 is 2 power 8. 256 is 2 power 8, the whole power minus 1 by 8. So what can be the answer? 2 power minus 1. It is 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 minus 1, 0. Answer is 1. You have to simplify this expression. Root of a, root of a. This is said to be a nested root. This is said to be a nested root. Nested means square root of square root of square root means 1 by 2. Then I will get 1 by 2. Then I will get 1 by 2. This is said to be a nested square root. So what is the value of this expression? If a is 3 power 16 by 15, I come to this 3 power 16 by 15 later. First you take this expression. What I do, this is a, put a bracket. It is again a. For this is for the second a. This is for the third a. This is for the fourth a. I got 1 by 2. Then a power half. This whole power half. I mean this a the whole power half. And then that a the whole power half. And last one the whole power half. Have you understood? How many root are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 1 by 2 must be here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has been equated. Have you first understood this step?
Yes, sir.
Now you combine this inner bracket. You have this outer bracket as it is. It is a into a into. This is a power 3 by 2. This is a power 3 by 2, the whole power 1 by 2, the whole power 1 by 2, then the power 1 by 2. So these two has been combined. These two
சார்
has
ரெண்டு 1/2 தானே சார் வரும்?
எப்படி?
இது ரெண்டு ப்ளஸ் பண்ணா 2 தானே சார் மீதி இருக்கு?
1 plus 1 by 2 என்ன இருக்கு?
ஓ
இந்த
ஓகே
1
ஓகே.
plus 1 by 2. That's why I put a bracket. உனக்கு இன்னும் புரியாம சொல்றானாக்க
இல்ல சார் புரியுது சார்.
இந்த 1/2 தான் இது. இந்த 1/2 தான் இது. இந்த 1/2 தான் இது. This is your 1/2. Is this clear? This is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to this is equal to a. Next to a. இது 3 power a power 3/4. a power 3/4. The whole power 1/2. இந்த 2 multiply பண்ணியாச்சு. These two are multiplied. A power n the whole power n. That is this 3/4. Now I get 1/2 and then one more 1/2. What is this? This 1/2 has come here. And this 3/4 has come here. What is the next step? This is equal to a into the another a power 7/4. The 1 plus 3/4 will be 7/4. That power 1/2, the whole power 1/2. Now what is the next step? This is a into a power 7/8. 7/8, the whole power 1/2. Last 1/2. Either to multiply panetta, you will get 7/8. Now this will become a power how much? 15/8. 15/8 power 1/2. This is equal to a power 15/16. What is your a now? 3 power. This is 15/16. Both will get cancelled. Answer will be 3. Is this clear? Now புரியுதா? இந்த ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணா you will get 7/4. இந்த 1/2 இங்க வருது. இந்த 1/2 இங்க வருது. நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த 1/2 இங்க இருக்கு. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணி வர்றதுதான் 15/8. Doubts இருந்தா சொல்லுங்க. Have you understood? Shall I go to next question?
Yes, sir.
Solve x is equal to square root of root 6. This is also said to be a nested root. This is also said to be a nested root. What I have to do? First, you bring this root x to this side. Because then only it is convenient to take a square root. Sorry, squaring on both sides. So x plus root 6 is equal to square root of root 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus root 7 plus 2 root 6. What is the next step? Now you are squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So x plus root 6 the whole square. If I square, the root will go off. Now you expand this. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to root 6 plus root of 7 plus 2 root 6. We want to ultimately find what is x. We want to find ultimately what is this x. And plus 6 is missing. Sorry, root 6 plus 6. Shall I cancel the 6? If I cancel 6, what do you get? It is x square plus 2x root 6. Again, this you will get as root 6 plus root of 7 plus 2 root 6. Am I right? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you bring
Sir.
this root 6. Yes, please. என்ன doubt?
இல்ல சார் புரிஞ்சது இல்ல.
So x square, if I bring this root 6 to this side, is it not 2x minus 1 into root 6? The root 6, if being a it will be minus root 6. If minus root 6 is a common factor, is it not 2x minus 1?
Yes, sir.
ஏன் இப்படி பண்றோம் அப்படின்னாக்க again to square on both sides, if it is exactly one square root, it is convenient for me. So now you again square it on both sides so that this square root will go off. Now what will happen? This is x square plus 2x minus 1 root 6 the whole square is equal to 7 plus 2 root 6. Now you expand using a plus b the whole square. This is a square plus 2ab plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b plus 6 into 2x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 7 plus 2 root 6. We did one problem in the last case. Equate irrational real on both sides. In the same way, equate root 6 on both sides. I mean irrational. Because we want to find x. So if I equate root 6 means this is the coefficient of root 6. Here the coefficient of root 6. These two must be equated. These two must be equated. I mean equate root x on both sides where I can solve for x. So if I equate this root x, what is the coefficient of root x? Equate coefficient of root x on both sides. Equate coefficient of root x on both sides. So what do you get? It is 2x square into 2x minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 get cancelled. It is 2x cube minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. It's a third degree equation. Third degree equation has got three roots. What are they? It is 2. Coefficient of x cube is minus 1. X square is x cube is 2. X square is minus 1. There is no x. It is 0. Constant term is minus 1. By trial and error, we take 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2 like this. This is to be a synthetic division. So add this. If you add 2 plus 0, you will get 2. These two must be multiplied. So 1 into 2 will be equal to 2. Again you add this. This will become 1. Because 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now you multiply these two. 1 into 1 will be 1. So again you add 0 plus 1. So my remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, this is one of the root. So x is equal to 1 is one root. So the third degree now it has been reduced to second degree. This is coefficient of x square. This is coefficient of x. It is a constant term. So if I solve this 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Use minus b plus or minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into a. So avoid this because it is irrational. Sorry, it is imaginary. Square root of root minus 7 will be I root 7. See, square root of minus 1 will be plus or minus I. Square root of minus 2 will be plus or minus I root 2. In the same way, square root of minus a will be plus or minus I root a. In the same way, minus 7, root minus 1 will be plus or minus I root 7. So discard this. So what are the roots of x? The roots of x is only x is equal to 1. Have you understood?
சார் அந்த லாஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் மட்டும் புரியல சார்.
எந்த last step?
ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்ம பண்ணக்கு அப்புறம் சார்.
You are telling this one, the synthetic division.
அது ஓகே சார். அதுக்கு அடுத்து
if I go with the synthetic division, your third degree equation has reduced to second degree. So in the coefficient one the x square, this coefficient is x, this coefficient is constant. So write in the quadratic equation form a square Don't you learn this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? Then what are the roots of the equation? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Have you learned this?
எஸ் சார்.
இதுதான் அப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
புரியுது சார்.
So this is now problem related to proportions. Already we solved one problem yesterday, a power x, b power y, c power z, something, the same model we discussed. In the same way, we want to eliminate the power, your x and y in the power. This x and y should be brought to a base, that to denominator. So you take the given 4.8 power x. Whenever it is given like a proportion, what I ask you to do, take it as k, some constant. I call this as 10 cube 1000. Equate to k. So equate all your 4 power x is equal to k. 0.48 power y is equal to k. 10 cube is equal to k. We want to get x in base. So this is in different bases. 4.8 is different base, 0.48 is different base. So I want to bring it to the same base. When you want to eliminate x in the left hand side, so divide by x in the power on both sides. Divide by x in the power on both sides so that it has brought to a base k. In the same way, divide y in the power on both sides so that it is k power 1 by y. Here k by y by y 1, here x by x 1. What about this term? 10 is equal to k power 1 by 3. Divide 3 in the power on both sides. Have you understood this step?
Yes, sir.
Now this is 4.8. I call it as 4.8 as 48 by 10. Likewise, this is 48 by 100 because I want to eliminate decimal. That is why we are bringing in whole number. We are taking this. This is k power 1 by 3. So different powers with different bases. Different power means x and y are different. Bases are also different. 4.8, 0.48. Now we brought to the same base. Now we brought to the same base. If the bases are same, according to the law of indices, we can add. So you take, you divide this by this. You divide k power 1 by x. Why are we dividing? You should ask this basic question. Sir, why are we dividing k power 1 by x by k power 1 by y? Because you want to get x. You know a power m. A power n will be a power m minus n. So when do you get m minus n? Unless if I don't divide, I don't get. That is why we are dividing k power x by k power y. So if I do so, what do you get? It is 48 by 10. It is 48 by 100. So if you reverse, is it not your 48 get cancelled? It is 100 by 10. 100 by 10 will become 10. This is k power 1 by x minus 1 by y. So what is 10? 10 is equal to k power 1 by 3. Can I equate now? If I equate base on, if I equate the base, if I equate this base, then what do I get? This is k power 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to k power 1 by 3. When the bases are same, equate the powers. 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So question number 17. We want to show that this expression is independent of m and n. M and n means I should not get m n in my answer. Answer should be out of m and n. There is no m and n in my answer. So you take first numerator 2 power m plus 2. This will be 3 power 2m. Already this is in prime number. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So bring it in the prime number base. Bring it in the prime number base. So 6 is not a prime number. So how do you write this? It is 3 into 2 the whole power n divided by it is also not a prime factor. So reduce 3 into 2 the whole power m, 5 into 2 the whole power n plus 2. This one 3 into 5 the whole power m. Have you first understood this step? First step we are extracting to the prime base.
சார்
Ah,
அங்கேயே சார் மைனஸ் வந்தது.
which one is minus?
மைனஸ் 3 into 2 power n.
Oh, sorry, this is a product. Now, what I want to segregate is you segregate the base 2, base 3, base 5. You segregate base 2, base 3, base 5. Before, it is 2 power m plus 2. It is already in the base 2. This is 2 power 3 power. This is 5 power m plus n plus 2. And this is not in that form. 3 power m into 2 power n divided by. This is 3 power m into 2 power m. It is 5 power n plus 2, 2 power n plus 2. It is 3 power m, 5 power m. Now you segregate. What are the powers of 2? So 2 power, I take this m plus 2. I bring this m to the numerator. This will be minus m. I bring this m to the numerator. This is minus m. I bring this minus n minus 2 to the power. Also, one more n is here. This n. Have you understood how I segregated the powers of 2?
Sir,
Hmm.
3 into 2 மேல பவர் வந்து n போட்டிருக்கீங்க.
I'm sorry.
n தான் சார் வரணும்.
I'm sorry. This is here. Anyhow, now 3 okay, anyhow, it is correct. Now, have you understood this powers of 2? So, let us come to this later. Likewise, get to the power of 3. This is 2m minus n. And then what are the 3 in the denominator? Minus m because of this m. Because of this m. Then you have one more m. If it comes to the numerator, this will become again minus m. And one more n is here. Plus n. And then you have to come to the 5 power business. So 5 power m plus n plus 2 minus n minus 2, then minus m. So what is this? When the base is 2, plus n minus n, everything will cancel 2 power 0. This is 3 power 0. It is plus n minus n plus 2 minus 2 plus n minus n. It is also 5 power 0. So your answer is independent of m n. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 18th question. The same way we want to solve. The base is 2863. Like a last problem, reduce to the prime factors. So the highlight of this problem is reduce to the prime factors. Then only you can get it to the same base. That is what I said in the beginning. If you want to apply the law of indices, I should bring it to the same base. So do the same phenomenon here. Reduce it to the same base so that this will be equal to 2 power 1 by 3. Shall I write 8 as 2 cube the whole power 2 by 3? Shall I write 3 as, 6? Shall I write the 6? Shall I write the 6 as 3 into 2? So this is 3 power minus 5 by 4 into 2 power minus 5 by 4. What about this case? It is 3 power minus 3 by 4. Come to the denominator. This is 3 power. This is 3 power how much? Power minus 2, because 9 power minus 1 means it is 3 square the whole power minus 1. Therefore, it is 3 power minus 2. This is 16. I call this as 2 power 4 the whole power 1 by 3 because it is a cubed root. This is a cubed root, that is why we are writing like this. This is whole power minus 4. Now you segregate the base of 2 and base of 3. What are the bases of 2? 2 power 1 by 3. 3 will get cancelled plus 2. Then minus 5 by 4. If this 2 comes to the power, this will become minus 4 by 3. If this comes to the numerator, this will become minus 4 by 3. In the same way, it is 3 power minus 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 2, because 3 power minus 5 by 4, 3 power minus 3 by 4, this power minus 2 come to the numerator means plus 2. Plus 2 the whole power minus 4. Now you segregate the bases. So this is 2 power minus 1 by 4 if you simplify. This is 3 power 0, the whole power minus 4. You know 3 power 0 is 1. 4 into 4 get cancelled. So answer will be 2 power 1. Hence it is 2. Is this clear? Are you all in the class?
Sir, 9 power minus 1 இருக்குல்ல சார், அது எப்படி சார் 3 power minus 2 ஆச்சு?
இங்க சொல்லிருக்கேன், what is 9 power minus 1? 3 square power minus 1. 3 square power minus 1, can you not write it as a power m the whole power n as a power mn?
ஓகே சார்.
இந்த கேள்வி கேட்பீங்கன்னு தானே நான் சைடில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அது மாதிரி இங்க cube root of 16 நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டேன். nth root of a power m is equal to a power m by n. It is nth root. Cube root of 16 வந்து I call it as cube root of 2 power 4. So this is 2 power 4 power 1 by 3. In fact, this is 2 power 4 power 1 by 3. That is why I call it as 2 power 4 by 3. So this is another question. If you look at the problem, it is a power x, a power x, a power y. But the proof doesn't have that power, exponential power. So we want to take this. So we want to take this, that is a square is equal to m power y n power x the whole power z. Whole power z. Now you insert this. It is a square is equal to m power yz into n power xz. What is a? Sorry, what is m? M is a power x, the whole power yz. What is n? A power y, the whole power xz. That is equal to a square. So a square is equal to a power xyz. This is also a power xyz. You know, when the bases are same, add the powers. It is 2 times of xyz. So 2 is equal to, therefore 2 is equal to 2xyz. When 2 get cancelled, what is the answer? Xyz is equal to 1. Is this clear?
Yes sir.
In the same way, I have to solve this problem. We want to eliminate this exponential term. You bring this term to this side, x to that side, so that we can take cube on both sides to eliminate fraction in the power. So what shall I do is, this is 5 power 2 by 3 plus 5 power 1 by 3 is equal to 5 minus x. Now you take cube on both sides. That is why a plus b the whole cube I wrote here. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, which is equal to 5 minus x the whole cube. Expand this. So if I expand this, what do you get? This is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is not 35. This is 3 into 5 into x into a minus b. This is 5. This is 5. This is 3 into 5 power 0. You know why. Sorry, correct. 2 by, when the bases are same, add the power. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 will be 5 power. Sorry, this is 5 power 1. I made a mistake. This is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 into what is this? This you can call it as 5 minus x. How? Because of this. Is it not in this form? That is equal to 5 minus x the whole cube. That is equal
Sir,
to,
first 5 square illa sir.
I'm sorry, 5 square. Now can you tell me what is the next one? Segregate the equation. It is 1 0 25 plus 5. 25 plus 5 plus 15 into 5. 15 into 5. Okay, plus 75 minus 15x is equal to 125 minus x cube minus 15 into 5, 75x minus into minus become plus 15x square. So 125 get cancelled. I'm sorry, not 125. This is 100, 105. 105, 125. You know how to segregate this equation. This is x cube. X cube, then what do you get? Minus 15x square. Then 60x plus, I'm sorry, minus 20 is equal to 0 because 125 minus 125 plus 25. I'm taking all these terms to left hand side so that I get this. That is what we want to prove. Any questions?
Sir, 60x. 60x எப்படி சார் வந்துச்சு?
It's 60x. See, 75, if it comes to this side, 75x plus, sorry, 75 minus 15 available.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார். 60 சார்.
So question number 21. Look at the problem. Denominator has come. Also exponential term has come. As I said, we want to eliminate the denominator as well as exponential in the power. I mean, exponential power must be eliminated using this criteria. Here, I write C as A minus B. This model we did yesterday. ABC is equal to 1. I wrote C as 1 by BC. Or you can take B as 1 by CA or C as 1 by AB. The same way, you take this A plus B plus C is equal to 0. If you want, you can take C as A minus B. Or any one can be expressed in terms of other two. So I take C as A minus B. So this is equal to, first you eliminate the negative power. This is x power B. This is 1 by x power C plus 1. So we want to eliminate the power now. Okay. What I do, you want to get minus C. If C is this, what can be minus C? Minus C will be plus A plus B. So using this phenomenon, I am trying to solve this problem. This is 1 divided by x power b. Shall I write minus c as x power a plus b? And you call this 1 as 1 for a time being. What about the next step? Because we are writing c as, we are expressing c in terms of a and b. We are expressing c in terms of a and b, therefore it is plus 1 divided by plus 1 divided by, this is x power c. What is x power, sorry, what is c? You have the c, we want to express everything in terms of a, b, a, b, a, b. So I should write c as a, b minus a minus b. Solve. Given this, okay, we want to solve. Either I should express in terms of AB or BC or CA. So I should write one in terms of other. This is already in CA. I want to express this in CA, this in CA, or it can be in, it can be BC, 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 or it can be written in AB, AB, AB. So whichever you want, you can take. If I want to express this in CA, I multiply and divide by C. Multiply and divide by C means multiply and divide by, wherever we have a problem, you just multiply and divide by C. This is x power B plus x power minus C plus 1. What about this term? It is 1. This is already in CA. This is already in CA. This is already in CA. You just have it as it is. Because we want to eliminate B. You may ask us, still B is here. How do you eliminate? Wait for some time, I will eliminate it. In the same way, this I multiply and divide by minus A. X power minus A into x power A plus x power B plus 1. This is the first step. Next step, what I did here, I
minus x power minus b, sir.
This
Last one.
x power minus. Now, this is x power C divided by x power C divided by x power B plus C. This is plus 1 if you multiply. This is x power C. What about this term? 1 by x power C plus x power minus A plus 1. This term will be x power minus A divided by, if you insert this, it is 1 plus x power minus A minus B. This is x power minus A. So you can have the first term x power C divided by what is B plus C. B plus C, I can take it as minus A. B plus C, you can take it as minus A. So this is plus 1 plus C. This is already in that form, x power C plus x power minus A, don't disturb. So we are trying to eliminate B, we want to bring everything in terms of CA. What about this term? This is x power minus A divided by 1. How do you write C? Minus A minus B. So shall I write this as x power C? This is x power minus A. Just C minus AC minus AC minus AC. What is the LCM? x power minus a plus 1 x power c. What is the numerator? X power c plus 1 plus x power minus a. What is the answer? 1. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Question number 22. It is we want to arrive to the same base, any multiples of prime numbers. So you have to reduce this in a prime form. Shall I write this 4 as 2 square, the whole power 2n? It is 4 into 5, I mean 2 square into 5, the whole power m minus n. It is 2 square into 3, the whole power m minus n. It is 3 into 5, the whole power m plus n minus 2, divided by 4, I'm sorry, 2 power 4, the whole power m. This is 5 power 2m into 5 power n. It is 3 square, the whole power m minus n. Have you first understood what I did? I reduce everything to the prime number. Now you take a base 3, base 2. What are the bases of 2? 2 power n, the first term. Then it is 2 power m minus 2. So these two are over. What about this? 2 power plus 2m minus 2n. I mean multiply this 2 in the power. There is no 2. Here the 2 has come. This is minus 4m if it comes to numerator. So what is the answer? 4m get cancelled. 2n get cancelled. Therefore it is 2 power, what is this? 2 square the whole power minus 1. So 2 power minus 2. What about this term? It is 3 power. What are the powers of 3? 3 power m minus n plus m plus n minus 2. I mean this. Do you have any more 3? Yes. The denominator. If it comes to numerator, it is minus 2m. Minus into minus become plus 2. So what about 5? 5 power m minus n. M minus 1. I'm sorry. This is 5 power m n minus 2. What about the last one? If it comes to numerator, this is minus 2m minus n. So what is the ultimate answer? It is 3 power 0. It is 5 power minus 3. So I shall write this as 1 by 2 square into 1 by 5 cube. So this is 1 by 1000. Have you understood? Have
Yes,
you
sir.
understood? How do you simplify this? The same way. Equate to the same base. What is the powers of x? It is x power 2a plus 2b, then 2b plus 2c, then it is 2c plus 2a divided by, this divided by x power what will come? 4a plus 4b plus 4c. If it comes to numerator, again both will get cancelled. 2a plus 2a, 2a plus 2b, 2c plus 2c. It is x power 4a plus 4b plus 4c divided by x power 4a plus 4b plus 4c. Answer will be equal to, how do you solve this problem? Equate the power x. For an example, 7th root of x cube, how do you write? It is x power 3 the whole power 1 by 7. Is it not x power 3 by 7? So now you equate the base of x 4 by 7. What is the next one? Plus 3 by 5. I mean this one. 4 by 7, 3 by 5. What about this plus 3 by 7? I mean just now we did. Do you have any more x? This is power minus 3 by 8. If it comes to numerator, this is plus 3 by 8. Because this is x power minus 3 the whole power 1 by 8. This is equal to x power minus 3 by 8. And then plus this will come as 3 by 5. What about the next term? When it comes to numerator, this is minus. I'm sorry. This is minus. What about the next term? If it comes to numerator, this will be minus 3 by 8. In the same way, what are the product of y? Y power 2 minus 1. This is 2. If it comes to numerator, power 1 by 5, 5. Both will get cancelled 1. If it comes to numerator, this is minus 1. So what will be the answer? It is x into a. Have you understood how I solved? Or should I want to go in detail?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
How do we find the value of ABC by eliminating the powers? You take any three equations in the given. I take y power b is equal to z. Ultimately, we want to bring ABC to the base. Shall I write y as x power a the whole power b? I mean this. Y is this. What is the next step? It is x power ab is equal to z. What is x again? Z power c the whole power ab, which is equal to z. It is z power abc is equal to z power 1. When the bases are equal, equate the power abc is equal to 1. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I continue tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.